Did you do it here? It's 8:10 p.m. June 24th, 2018, and it looks like I've been denied. I got some stuff I'd like to share with you, and here's some of the usual satellite links I go to. Let's check out the Colorado State. Let's see. .edu. Huh. Okay. They're not letting me in tonight. Let's check out the College of DuPage. I'll be darned. They're not letting me in tonight. Let's check out the real-time images at Umestat. Let's see. Come on, boys. Well, they gave me some Umestat because I don't hardly ever go there. Okay. Haven't ever done anything on them. So let's go check on the image looper from Colorado State. Huh, they're not letting me on that. Let's check out the Dupe National Data Buoy Center. Come on. Huh, they're not letting me on that. Well, let's check out the geostationary satellite imagery from the SSEC. Huh, Wisconsin.edu has denied me access. Let's check out Interactive Maps, NOAA. Come on. See if you're going to let me in there. Blank page, nothing. Okay. Let's check out, well, let's check out some of the other ones I haven't gone to, see how they're behaving. See, we haven't talked about this one yet. This one's about the warrior gene. I'm going to talk about that one day soon. The warrior gene. They've let me in there. Okay. Let's see. Commatives. Okay. They let me in on the commatives. See, the U.S. plan to strike the enemy with Valium. I haven't done anything on that yet. Well, they're still letting me in there, so they're selectively leaving me out. I got it on this page because it's for a reason. Here's the links. I want to see if the links on my YouTube video are operating or not. GOES 13 Legacy Archived Imagery. Huh, they're not letting me in on the GOES 13. This is off my video. So you may find that my video links aren't working. But they may be working for you. Let's see. Okay. The Himawari, this is the okay, the transitory solar reflectance. Let's see if they're going to show me that one today. Directly out. Huh. Okay. I'm just wondering if you guys are having the same problem accessing these websites. Let's go to another one. The Office